Hi everyone, welcome to GIGI'S creation. For today's DIY, we are going to make this storage basket. So we are going to use this broken or an old bucket, okay? And we are going to start by gluing this piece of cloth also that I cut from an old tablecloth. It's a broken tablecloth, so I kept it again, like what I said. I'm a rubbish collector, and I cut a small piece and gluing it now all around. And you might be thinking, what am I doing? I'm using this, guys, gluing it all around and serve as a lining of this. I don't know how you call it, basket. I don't know, but it's not really a basket. But I'm just making things up, guys, as I go along. And this is an old cardigan. It's an old as well, and I'm not using it anymore, and it was just sitting into my cupboard. So instead of throwing it away, because people in Hong Kong didn't like secondhand, as you know, and it's too hot for Philippines, so I don't know what to do with it, and I just kept it into my cupboard until this time. And I finally find a way to make good use of it. So I'm using this to cover my old bucket, broken bucket. As you can see, just glue it all around. You have to be careful, guys, when using hot glue gun, because I burnt myself with this DIY really bad. So anyway, just keep on gluing all around. Please make good use amount of glue so it doesn't comes out the cloth. So you see, I burned myself and it really hurts. Okay, I'm almost done. See, and I'm gonna put more glue later on around, because I would like to make it look neat and really. But I'm just showing you guys the way of how to just do what I do with this. Okay, very nice and simple. Give you some ideas on how you repurpose your stuff, or how you make good use of all your rubbish or trash. Okay. People laugh at me because I keep all my rubbish and just make things good of it, make good use of it. Okay, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you don't have to buy your stuff, right? If you can make it, why buy? Save the money, guys. Okay. People think I'm stingy, but it's not a matter of being stingy, guys. It's just trying to save our environment. Okay, I know we can afford to buy things, but why do you have to pollute the environment? Okay, now I'm just trying to glue it properly so it's become nice and neat, and I just have to glue it all the way down, guys. Okay, like this. See, I have to fold it so it doesn't come out the side. So it's very nice and neat after that. See? And that's why I burn my hand, because I try to. You see? Just keep on gluing it down, all the way down. I got lots of this cardigan, you know, but last time I used it to make us a cushion cover or pillow cover. I still have got them yet, guys. I'm still using them. I just pull it out and wash it and then glue it back again. It's very, very easy. Let's see. And you can use this to put all your laundry after you take them out from the dryer or from after they dry it, instead of just leaving it on top of your bed or sofa. Before you fold it, you just have to keep inside of these baskets, and it doesn't make it so messy, and you can fold it anytime when you are free, right? And at least your place is not in a mess with all your washing, because no matter how clean your house, if you know there are lots of mess on the surface of anything or everything, it looks very, I don't know, I find it seems like very dirty, the house. So I like to keep things nice and tidy. It has to be everything in proper place. Okay, like even my sofa, I just like to have my cushions. That's it. I don't want to have anything on top of my sofa, because I find it looks so dirty, the house, if even though it's clean, but if there are lots of mess on the surface of like sofa or your bed, it seems so dirty, the house. So anyway, I know I'm weird, but okay, so I'm gluing it on the bottom. Okay, it's almost done, guys. Okay, that's it. And this is the outcome of our DIYs, guys. You see, it's very nice. And now I glue it around to make it nice and neat. And I can use to put my blanket on. You see, this is what I'm talking about. So anyway, this is the wrap up of our DIY. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I see you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.